yeah, buddy. Riding in the big drop, riding down 80 on the wheel with my wristwatch. That bitch Huddy, man, that bitch a big thought. I don't trust these bitches dropping hoes for this.
Hey guys, happy New Year. It's 2019. I'm better, and back. So this video is gonna be based on my dog that I have. He's mixed with a pit bull and a chihuahua. Come here, boy. This is him. This is him. Okay, so this video is gonna be about him. Excuse me. Yeah, he doesn't like when I blow at him, so let's see how he gonna react. He wants to lick it. Lick my ear. You trying to bite my lip? You want me to stop? No way, Jose. Come here, boy. Come here. He's getting aggravated. What boy? What are you doing? Come here, boy. Come here. 2019 blows. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, baby. Happy New Year. Yes. He reacted kind of different from last time. He literally talking like, I want you to stop. Yes. He's so beautiful. I love him so much. Okay, so he did a good reaction to the ear blows. His breath stinks. Look at him want to lay down. But make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Happy New Year's. Definitely freaking videos is coming. So get hyped. Don't let me down. Support me. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. All right, bye. I'm out.